Across the world, a new revolution is taking root. Machines that think, move, and work smarter than ever before, from the soil to the sky. This is the future of farming. Welcome to the 10 most advanced agricultural machines changing the world. The sugarcane harvester is a true giant of modern farming, a machine engineered to replace days of back-breaking labor with pure mechanical precision. Its razor-sharp blades slice through thick cane with ease, while advanced rollers pull and clean every stalk in one seamless motion. High-tech sensors adjust cutting height automatically, ensuring every inch of cane is harvested with minimal waste. From John Deere to Case IH, manufacturers are pushing these machines to new limits faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever. It's not just a harvester, it's a symbol of how technology is transforming agriculture, turning hard work into high performance. In the world of modern farming, the autonomous tractor is changing everything. These next-generation machines can plow, plant, and spray crops entirely on their own, no driver needed. Using advanced GPS, AI cameras, and smart sensors, they map the land, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions with incredible accuracy. Brands like John Deere, Case IH, and Kubota are leading the way, introducing fully driverless tractors that work day and night, even in tough weather. Farmers can now control and monitor their tractors through mobile apps or computers, saving time, fuel, and manpower. The result? Greater efficiency, reduced costs, and precise field management like never before. Autonomous tractors aren't just the future, they're already here, steering agriculture into a smarter, self-driven era. The Smart Combine Harvester is the ultimate weapon in modern wheat farming, a perfect fusion of muscle and machine intelligence, as it roars through golden fields. Its AI sensors and GPS-guided systems scan every inch of wheat with surgical precision. Automatic blade control adjusts cutting height in real time, while advanced threshers separate each grain flawlessly, reducing loss to near zero. Inside, smart computers track yield, moisture, and quality, turning raw harvest data into instant results on a digital screen. Brands like John Deere, Claas and New Holland have transformed the traditional combine into a thinking harvester, one that makes every second count. It's faster, cleaner, and more efficient than ever before. This isn't just harvesting wheat, it's the future of smart farming in motion. The precision agriculture drone is transforming how the world farms, one flight at a time. Equipped with AI-powered cameras, LiDAR sensors, and GPS navigation, it soars over the fields, scanning every leaf and every row with perfect accuracy. It detects crop stress, pests, and nutrient levels instantly, giving farmers real-time data to act fast and save yields. And when it's time to spray, this drone delivers with unmatched precision, releasing fertilizer or pesticide only where it's needed, cutting chemical use and costs by up to 70%. Models like the DJI Agris T70 and T100 lead this new farming revolution, covering acres in minutes while protecting the environment. This is not just flying tech, it's the eye in the sky for modern agriculture, farming's smartest partner above the fields. The Smart Sprayer is where precision meets power, a ground-based machine built to think before it sprays. Armed with AI vision systems, GPS guidance, and smart nozzles, it detects weeds, identifies crops, and targets only where treatment is needed. Every droplet counts, saving up to 90% of chemicals while protecting the soil and the environment. Its onboard sensors adjust spray pressure, droplet size, and coverage automatically, ensuring every inch of the field gets exactly what it needs, from John Deere's See & Spray to Bosch BASF smart sprayers. These machines work day and night, guided by data and precision robotics. This isn't just spraying, it's farming intelligence on wheels. Cleaner, smarter, and faster than ever before. The smart sprayer is redefining the science of crop care. In the heart of modern horticulture, Damcon technology stands as a symbol of innovation and precision. From the vast nurseries of Europe to reforestation projects worldwide, Damcon machines are transforming how we plant, lift, and care for trees with advanced mechanical tree planters, root pruners, and tree lifters. Every operation is guided by hydraulic control and pinpoint accuracy, reducing labor while increasing productivity. But the innovation doesn't stop there. The Damcon tree wrapper takes protection to the next level, wrapping roots securely for transport and storage, keeping each sapling safe, hydrated, and ready to thrive. Whether it's preparing the soil, planting the trees, or wrapping them for the journey ahead, Damcon brings it all together with one goal: perfect efficiency in every step of growth. In the fields of tomorrow, even the rain is intelligent. Meet the 360 Rain Autonomous Irrigation System, a breakthrough innovation redefining how crops receive water unlike traditional pivots. 360 Rain moves freely across fields, guided by GPS, sensors, and AI control. It delivers precise amounts of water and nutrients directly where the plants need them most, not wasted, not scattered, but targeted with perfection. Powered by a Hausdrag design and data-driven automation, it follows the exact path of planted rows. Watering in harmony with crop growth and soil moisture, farmers can monitor everything, remotely turning irrigation into a fully autonomous operation. More yield, less waste, and smarter farming. That's the power of 360 Rain. Among the endless rows of vines, precision is everything. And that's where Pastro AG's VINEYARD desuckering sprayer takes the stage. Built in Australia, this machine transforms vineyard maintenance with automation, speed, and accuracy that human labor can't match. Its high-pressure air jets and rotating spray heads remove unwanted vine shoots, known as suckers, without damaging the main stems. The result: healthier vines, better airflow, and higher quality grapes. Engineered for efficiency, the system adapts to uneven terrain and dense rows, giving vineyard owners consistent results season after season. It's clean, precise, and incredibly fast, doing in minutes what once took hours by hand. With Pastro AG, innovation meets tradition, helping vineyards around the world grow smarter, stronger, and more sustainable. This powerhouse of precision transforms how farmers cultivate and sow, blending innovation, intelligence, and reliability in one seamless motion. The Terrasem combines soil preparation, fertilization, and seeding, all in a single pass. Its hydraulic disc harrows break and level the ground, while air-assisted seed flow systems ensure perfect placement and depth across every inch of the field. Powered by Isobu's smart control, operators can monitor every row in real time, adjusting seed rate, pressure, and spacing with pinpoint accuracy. Even at high working speeds, it maintains uniform coverage, saving both fuel and precious time. Whether it's wheat, barley, corn, or canola, the Terrasem adapts to every crop and every soil type, giving farmers unmatched consistency and yield. Built for today, engineered for tomorrow, the Terrasem Universal Seed Drill isn't just planting seeds, it's planting the future of sustainable, intelligent farming. Across the modern farm, a new kind of worker is rising: the robotic ground vehicle, or agricultural rover. Fully autonomous, fully electric, and endlessly precise. It's transforming how fields are managed, guided by GPS navigation, AI-powered cameras, and advanced sensors. This rover maps the land, detects weeds, monitors crop growth, and applies treatments with pinpoint accuracy, no operator needed. Models like the Agzeed Agbot, FarmDroid FD20, and Nio Oz show just how far automation has come. Machines that can run day and night, powered by clean energy and guided by real-time data. Every move is measured. Every action intentional, cutting fuel use, protecting the soil, and boosting productivity. The agricultural rover isn't just a helper. It's the next generation of smart farming, where intelligence meets the earth.
From innovation to cultivation, these machines are shaping the farms of the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing agri-tech from Loomer.